everybody, welcome back. Hope you all subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. If not, please do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like and valuable comment. Well, we will look at the four present tenses and their uses today. The present tense is a very important skill for basic English. As soon as we know how to use it, we can start practicing our English and speak about our hobbies, our work, and the things we like. The present tense is a grammatical tense used for verbs that describes an action happening right now. It is considered easy to use and exists in all languages. The present tense broken down into four different categories. Present tense, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Even if we can speak and read some English, we may be interested to know more about what the present tense involves. Let us get into present simple tense and its usages. Note 1. To express something in a general way, a repeated way, or in a habitual way. For example, I do exercise every day. He takes coffee often. Not 2. To express universal or scientific truth. For example, water flows down. Man is mortal. Not 3. To express something that happens now at the time of speaking. For example, I write a letter. He waits for you. Not 4. To express proverbs. For example, a rolling stone gathers no moss. Many hands makes the work light. Not 5. To express past events in the headlines of newspapers. For example, the Prime Minister resigns. The former Chief Minister passes away. Not 6. The following expressions takes present simple tense. Always, usually, often, every day, sometimes. For example, he works hard always. He takes coffee every day. Let us get into present continuous tense and its usages. Note 1. To express an action that is going on or happening at the time of talking. For example, he is reading a novel. I am watching television. Let us get into present perfect tense and its usages. Note 1. Present perfect tense talk about the present result of the past action. That means we look back from the present to the past. It is the present tense which is strongly connected with the past. For example, Anne has not eaten any bread. He has gone home. Not to. To express that something has completed just now or at the time of speaking. For example, she has just gone out. Pavan has just joined with us. Not 3. To express something that began in the past and has continued up to the present. Remember, we use the prepositions for and since for this expression. For example, I have known him for 5 years. She has not visited us since Christmas. Remember, present perfect and simple past speak about completed actions, but their usages and meanings are totally different. Note 4. Present perfect tense talk about completed actions such as now, today, recently, this year, etc. For example, I have seen this film today. Tom has repaired my bike recently. Let us get into present perfect continuous tense and its usages. Note 1. To express continuation of the activity which began in the past. The action started in the past but still continuing in the present. For example, he has been speaking for an hour, which denote he started speaking in the past and now also he is speaking. She has been dancing since morning, which denote she started dancing in the morning and now also she is dancing. We have learned the four present tenses and their uses, namely present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, the uses of past tenses. Please do subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Blog. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, share and comments. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day ahead.